So I'm in this small home in Orlando, and it's now it's a 3-1, but the rooms are very small. This room, you could probably fit a queen, but it would be pretty tight, so it's not huge. So they've done a good job. Everything is white. You can see behind me they've been painting the windows. But when I came across is this, and I really like this. You have these built-ins, and there's a desk, and you have to see this is really cool. There's closet space, and then also a built-in dresser, which is wonderful. But my recommendation in this small space is always to paint the trim and like the built-ins like this, paint it white, because this is such a small room, you can't fit a lot in here. If you can make the trim white, it makes it pop, it freshens it up, and it makes it feel bigger. And I would spend the extra couple $100 to update this.